Do you like to use scent boosters when you do your laundry? When I have extra money, I do. A viewer of mine suggested on another video that I made for a laundry booster that he preferred the Snuggles brand. I had never even heard of the Snuggles brand, so I thought, well, I'm going to try these. They smell great, so I look forward to trying these. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. The details: it has long-lasting scent, and it says you can squeeze to sniff it, and you can smell the scent through the package, so you can test it out. They only had 2 scents when I got mine, so I purchased the Lavender Joy because I got bleach. I think they had lavender scent in it. I don't use bleach on my towels, but still, hey, okay to match. It's a Snuggles Scent Booster. It has concentrated scent packs in it. This one has 26 packs in there. Simply toss it in the washer. If you're going to use a large load of laundry, or wash a large load of laundry, of course you can use 2. For a regular load, you can just use 1. And it's just that simple. Here's the manufacturer's information with a phone number. Here's their website. And of course, we don't do anything with these except use them in our laundry. See what they look like. Oh, they smell so good. Even pulling them out, they have a very strong lavender scent. It smells a little, I don't know, nice way to say this. It smells a little like the smell of cheap perfume. It's very strong, but sometimes those kinds of scents can leave a really good aroma on clothing and fabrics. So we'll see. I'm going to do all my laundry today. Put these in there. I'm washing some solid clothes first, and it is a large load, so I should use 2 of these. It's going to be on probably cold-ish water. I'm going to go ahead and put another one in there because I will have a large load. I'm sure they'll dissolve faster in hot water than in cold water. Right now I'm using OxiClean laundry packs that I really do like. I have a video up about them. They don't really have a strong odor at all. So the scent boosters work well with them. I'm going to put 2 of those in. Let's see how it turns out. Wow, I can smell the Snuggles Scent Boosters all the way out in the hall. It's making it smell good. The Snuggles Scent Booster left absolutely no trace of any kind of residue on my dark clothes, which made me very happy. I do always add a fabric softener in the dryer. And this particular one is from Dollar General, and it says this compares to the Snuggle Blue Sparkle. It doesn't leave a very strong scent, so I should clearly be able to smell this when these come out of the dryer. I'm now washing a smaller load of lighter colored clothes. I'm using a little bit hotter water, and I'm only going to use 1 OxiClean pack and 1 of the Snuggles Scent Boosters. I expect it to dissolve a lot faster. The dark clothes came out smelling quite nice, and the lights don't seem to have any kind of residue on them either. I'm going to toss in the same type of fabric softener. I'm washing a lot of towels in hot water. I'm going to toss in 2 of the OxiClean detergent packs and 2 of the Snuggles Scent Boosters, because towels smell good too, right? Why not? I see no residue of the Snuggles Scent Booster on the light colored clothes. I have the towels in the dryer now. I use the OxiClean pack and the lavender bleach and the Snuggles Scent Booster. I do not put fabric softener in my towels because it makes them less absorbent. Of course, the true test to me for a laundry scent booster is how long does the smell hang around on your clothes. These are the outfits that I washed with the Snuggle Scent Booster Lavender, and I do smell them in my closet. I am one of those who puts together outfits for the week so that I'm not having to do a lot of decision making in the morning. I put everything together down to the underwear. My socks are lined up in a drawer, so it's easy. I do smell them in my closet, and I'll see if I still smell them in the morning and as the week goes on. After a few weeks of using the Snuggles Laundry Boosters, my final take is they smell great, they're super easy to use. I can use them for more than one purpose, which I'll show you at the end of this video. The scent stays in my clothes for weeks. I have several closets, and even the clothes that I hang in a different closet, I can open the door and still smell the scent booster scent on them weeks later. So it's not overpowering, it's just a nice clean scent. I ended up liking these much better than I had expected. So I do encourage people to try these. They're great. Check in the text below the video for a link that will take you to provide some more information as well as shopping information. Probably know this already, but if you have shoes that don't smell nice, you can drop a laundry scent booster down into the shoe, leave it in there, and it will take care of some of that odor that might be in the shoe. You probably knew that. If you didn't, you do now. You can also take those dryer sheets that are left over after you use them, stuff them down in the toes of your shoes. It gives you a little extra padding for your toes, and it helps to keep your shoes smelling good. That's in another video I have already, but it's a freebie. Thanks for watching my video review of the Snuggles Laundry Scent Boosters. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and let me know what you think about scent boosters. And if you have time before you go, watch another video because YouTube likes for you to stick around. Bye. Thanks. Laundry that smells good is wonderful.